If you have pending transfers on Robinhood, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you understand how to resolve these issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Account tab. Look for the Transfers section to see the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an overview of what transfers are still in process. Step 2. Review transfer details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you notice any issues or if the transfer has been pending for an extended period, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with the details of the transfer for quicker assistance. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Sometimes pending transfers can be caused by account restrictions. Review your account notifications or messages to see if there are any alerts regarding limitations or holds that may affect your transfer. Step 5. Wait for processing. If everything appears correct and there are no restrictions, you may just need to wait. Transfers can take a few days to process, especially if they involve different financial institutions. Keep an eye on your account for updates. In conclusion, resolving pending transfers on Robinhood involves checking the status, reviewing details, contacting support if needed, ensuring there are no restrictions, and being patient during the processing time. Following these steps will help you manage your transfers more effectively.